having my overnight Chia oats. $7.15 with tax 10%, $6.50, and they're asking if I should pay a tip as well, 20%. How do you like that here in America? Things are getting completely out of hand. All frontiers, folks. Disposable, eco-friendly plastic. It's all about environment. We're all part of this nonsense. There's nothing edible here in America. I have a bird to help me out. There's the little Hello, darling. How are you? You don't have any food left, isn't it? We've taken all your food. Can you hear the birds singing? Shall I leave some for the bird? It's got everything. Cranberry, sultanas, raspberries. It's the I'm in Washington, folks. It's supposed to be -5 today. Instead, it's gone to 26. Weatherman got it all wrong. I can see a little swing. I might go and swing on it down there. It seems like the first day of spring here in DC. Can you see that swing over there? I might go and sit on it. Just swing. Yeah.